Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the science, art, and little secrets behind every beauty product. Today, I have something that's become a staple in many makeup bags, the Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Medium Coverage Concealer in 29N. This is a creamy concealer designed for all skin types, with a radiant finish made to brighten under eyes, cover blemishes, and even double as a shadow primer. This concealer comes in a light medium shade that balances warm and cool undertones, making it versatile for many complexions. The formula is designed to deliver medium coverage with a radiant, slightly luminous finish, aiming to smooth and illuminate without looking heavy. You apply it by dotting and dashing onto under eyes, blemishes, or imperfections, then blend from the center of the face outwards using a sponge or concealer brush. A dampened sponge can give an even smoother application, and some even use it on eyelids for a long-lasting shadow base. When I tried this concealer, I found it blended beautifully and didn't settle into fine lines, which is something I always look for. It felt lightweight on the skin, but still offered enough coverage to even out my under-eye area and camouflage minor blemishes. I used it in both my morning routine and for an evening look, and it stayed put without caking or fading noticeably. It's easy to work with, whether you're layering for more coverage or keeping it light for a natural finish. What I love about it is the texture. It's creamy, buildable, and easy to manipulate with either a brush or sponge. The applicator is precise, so you can target small areas without wasting product. On the flip side, I did notice that on drier skin, it can cling a bit if the under-eye area isn't properly moisturized, so prepping with a hydrating eye cream is key. As for value, it's priced at a premium, but considering the quality of the formula, the blendability, and the radiant finish, I think it's justified if you're looking for a concealer that performs well in multiple ways. Compared to other medium coverage concealers, Shape Tape stands out for its luminous effect without sacrificing coverage. It's not just a flat matte concealer, which can sometimes make skin look dull. The packaging is sleek and functional, and the tube feels sturdy and travel-friendly. I don't have experience with their customer support, but Tarte generally has a good reputation for handling product inquiries and satisfaction concerns. If you're on a budget but still want a concealer that's creamy and buildable, there are other options like NYX or Maybelline that deliver decent coverage, but they may not give the same radiant glow that Shape Tape offers. For those who prioritize a flawless, luminous under-eye look with medium coverage, this is definitely a product to consider. So, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Overall, Tarte Shape Tape Radiant Medium Coverage Concealer is versatile, blendable, and delivers a natural yet brightened finish. It works well for anyone looking to cover imperfections while keeping skin looking luminous, though it does need a little prep on drier areas. If you've used this concealer, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.